Yeshua, we hold them dear. The pain is ours, the fight is just. Seeing Allah's mercy, we place our trust. Do not forget, will not be still. The cause is ours by Allah's will. With every act we break their chains. In solidarity, the hope relates. United for Gaza, we rise today. In prayer and charity, we pave the way. Justice and peace in the Holy Land. United for Gaza, we rise today. In prayer and charity, we pave the way. For justice and peace in the Holy Land.